A Rosie math teacher coming at you from my second period grade 7 math class. We are using some manipulatives today to show us the physical representation for two-step equations. I just asked my class to please write on a piece of paper what they believe these 3 green strips are representing. Raise your hand if you would like to tell me what the 3 green strips are representing. Tell me.
X.
How many X values?
3.
Excellent. Wave at me if you also wrote on your paper 3X. Wave at me if you wrote 3X. And everybody at home, do you understand? These are strips that represent an unknown amount. I used 3 of them. 3 items of an unknown amount. Therefore, 3X. Now I have a plus sign, and the yellow side of these tiny little squares represents positive ones. If I say plus, positive 1, positive 1, positive 1, positive 1, class, what is that amount?
4.
4. So what will I write? Plus or minus? Plus, thank you for that answer. What will I write for my constant? 4. Please write this on your paper as I am writing it on this panel. All right, 3x plus 4 equals. Who has already counted my yellow tiles over here? And you can tell me how many. Go.
13.
Correct. Class, write 13. Everyone, please now read this two-step equation together. Stay together. 3x plus 4 equals 13. Now, we're learning about how on a two-step equation, you need to keep everything in balance, right? If you take something off of this side, it will go up in the air on that side. So you have to take the same amount off the other side to bring the equation back into balance. Yes? Yes. Okay. So in this two-step equation, try two-step equations, don't give up. What are we going to do first? Go to the variable side and find the what? Constant there. Circle your constant on your paper, class. What are you circling? The 3x or the plus 4? Say it.
Plus 4.
Plus 4. I love it. Thank you, guys. And do the inverse operation. What is the inverse of plus 4? Say it. Minus 4. So I'm going to write minus 4. Now, guys, I just took 4 pounds off that side. So my seesaw went like this, didn't it? How can I bring it back in balance?
You do the same thing.
Do the same thing to the other side, birthday girl just said correctly. So do the same thing to the other side, like the song says. Do that on both sides. So minus 4, minus 4. Now, let us represent taking away 4 from the left side of the equation. So what am I going to do to these tiles? If I can get a hold of them, what am I going to do? What will I do, guys? Take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many yellow tiles do you see there now? 0. So this cancels out because we don't need to say plus 0. It doesn't change any of the value. Now, over here, since I removed 4 yellow tiles on this side, what do you think I will do now on this side? I will remove how many? 4 yellow tiles. 1, 2, 3. Oop, that panel's about to get me. 4. Now that I have removed 4 yellow tiles from this side to keep everything what? In balance. How many yellow tiles do you see that I have left? Please say it.
9.
I have 9 yellow tiles left. So I will rewrite this representing what I still have on the board. What do I still have on the board, class?
3x.
3x, a giant 3x. And do I have anything else on the left? No. So what do I copy next? The equal sign. And what do I write for the yellow items that are left over here? 9 is correct. 2 columns of 4, that's 8, plus 1 more, that's 9. Do we all understand how we got 3x equaling 9? Now comes the second step of a two-step equation, where you ask yourself, find the variable and do the what? Inverse operation. What is happening to x? It is being multiplied. What is the inverse operation of multiply? Divide. So give yourself a divide by bar. Give yourself a divide by bar. Now, since we were multiplying by 3, we now will divide it by same amount. So divide by 3 on the left, Do the same on the right. Divide by 3. Now, when I go back up to my individual green strips representing 3x, when I do 3x divided by 3, that means split these 3x values into 3 equal size groups. So what would that give me in each group? If I put 1, 2, 3 equal size groups. Class, how many x values are in one group? 1. So when I do 3x divided into 3 equal groups, I get 1 in each group. 1 what? What does the green represent? X. 1x equaling, what is this going to equal when I do 9 items divided into groups of 3 or into 3 equal groups? I could look at it either way. So I'm going to go ahead and set these up to make it easy for me to split them into 3 equal groups as well. Am I allowed to rearrange these? Yes. And once again, what do you think I'm going to draw around them? Circles to represent how many would be in each of my 3 equal groups. 1 equal group, 3 equal groups, 2 equal groups, sorry, and 3 equal groups. How many yellow tiles are in one group out of those 3 groups? 3. So do you agree that 9 divided by 3 will give us 3?
Yes.
Now, one more thought. Do you agree that in the world of math, we never keep a 1 in front of the x? We only call it what? X. Oh yeah, it does erase, sort of. All right, do we understand how we got x equaling 3 using our representation? All right, I hope that helps you guys at home.